welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranleyplace, where I'm focused on Hermès scarf style, inspiration, and more. Before we get started, let me give a shout out to all the channel members, and special welcome to the knot connoisseurs and elegant insiders. I appreciate your ongoing support. If you haven't seen the membership options, please do check them out. In this video, I'll shift gears since I have an upcoming business trip and will share with you my capsule wardrobe and Hermès scarves I've chosen for it. We'll take a look at the scarves and outfits and see how I could actually make at least a dozen combos with just the basics I'm packing for the trip. Let's get started. For this trip, I'm traveling internationally on business. This will be a relatively short one. We're talking about 6 days total, including travel. Now, fall weather can be variable where I'm going, and for the week I'm there, it may be a bit rainy and cooler, especially at night. That means a raincoat as outerwear and dual-purpose pieces that I can dress up or down as needed, and of course, a selection of scarves. Overall, this will be a combo of business formal and casual. First, let me share the scarves I've chosen for the trip. We'll start with a 90 centimeter silk twill called Duo Cosmique by Kohei Kayomori. It is a striking hunter green with blacks, blues, coral, and khaki tones. Next is another 90 centimeter silk twill called Baobab Cat by Ardmore Artists. It features a leopard at the center of a fully bloomed baobab flower. In addition to the leopard print, it has a range of yellows, reds, oranges, greens, and purples. It also has this striking red contrast rolled hem. Next is a 90 centimeter silk twill called Pelage et Camouflage by Aline Honoré with its assortment of animal patterns. This is a predominantly red colorway, as you can see. My next choice is a relatively recent addition to my collection, Ex Libris en Kimonos by Anna Morphe. It also is a 90 centimeter silk twill and has dominant tones of warm red, orange, mint green, and coral pink, supported by soft neutrals like taupe, ivory, and black. And last but not least is a 90 centimeter double-faced silk twill called Mille Feuilles de Soie by Natsuno Hidaka. The colorful side has an array of blues, yellows, oranges, reds, greens, brown, black, and white. The muted side is a monochromatic study in blue interspersed with pale pinks, grays, black, and white. Day 1 is a long travel day, and what I plan to fly in is Duo Cosmique, a short-sleeve burgundy tee, black ponte pants, black Onitsuka tiger as footwear, and topped by the trench. Everything is stretched, so it'll be nice and comfortable. Day 2, I arrive at my destination in the morning time, so I plan to head to the hotel for a shower and change of clothes. For the scarf, I'll wear the pale side of the 90 centimeter Mille Feuilles de Soie. I'll pair that with jeans and an olive short-sleeve tee. Keep the black tigers as footwear and the trench as topper. Then for dinner, I'll wear the same base and re-wear the Duo Cosmique. Day 3, for the scarf, I'm planning to wear the Baobab Cat that I'll pair with jeans and the burgundy tee. The black tigers again as footwear and the trench as topper. For dinner, I'm meeting some business colleagues, so off to the ponte pants, add a black knit jacket, change the shoes to the ballet flats, wear the Ex Libris en Kimonos. Day 4, for the scarf, I'll wear the 90 centimeter Pelage et Camouflage that I'll wear with a red fit and flare dress. I'll top that with a black knit jacket, add some tights and the ballet flats, and top everything with a trench. Then for dinner, I'll wear the same base and swap out the jacket and the scarf, namely to the tweed knit jacket and Baobab Cat. Day 5, for the scarf, I'm planning to wear the Ex Libris en Kimonos with a black knit sheath dress, topped by the tweed knit jacket, tights, ballet flats, and the trench again as topper. For dinner, I'll wear the same base and add the jacket and scarf, going with the black knit jacket and pelage et camouflage. Day 6 is a day back home, coming back from Europe to the States. For the scarf, then, I will wear the colorful side feuille de soie, black ponte pants with the olive short-sleeve tee, Suga tigers as footwear, topped again by the trench so I don't have to pack it. Now let's do the math for this 11-piece capsule wardrobe, plus the 5 scarves, effectively 6 scarves since one is double face. 2 pairs of pants, 2 shirts, and 2 jackets. That's 2 times 2 times 2 for 8 combos. 2 dresses plus 2 jackets. That's 2 times 2, another 4 combos. 2 dresses plus the 1 trench. Again, 2 times 1, another 2 combos. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 altogether. That makes 14 different clothing combos. Then, if I factor in 6 scarves, 14 times 6 is 84 unique combos. Pretty crazy, right? Technically, I could have been even more Spartan with the capsule, say by removing one of the dresses, which would take the clothing combos down to 11. But again, considering the scarves, still that would have made a total of 66 unique looks. More than plenty for this trip. So there you have it, my Hermès scarf capsule wardrobe. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. In future episodes, I'll share scarf reviews and inspiration, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time.